Alright, so we need to use a bash environment. Hopefully you know what that is. If you don't, it's a more advanced, it's a better version of a Windows like command prompt, if you will. So in here, or in Windows 10, the way we can do that is Windows 10 comes shipped with a bash shell kind of support, but you have to configure it first. So the way to do that is we need to open our settings. So I'm going to open up the start menu here, and I'm just going to type in settings. Alright, I'm going to go into, let's see, which one is it? It should be update and security. And in here, for developers. So you'll see right here, developer mode. So we can install any signed app, use advanced development features. So we want to hit that. It's going to give you this warning that could expose your device. Just go ahead and turn on developer mode. Hit yes. And looks like everything went good there. So now what we need to do is we need to restart our computer. So I'm going to pause this video, and then I'm going to pick it back up when my computer restarts. Alright, now my Windows has finally started back up here, and we're not done yet. We've just engaged developer mode, or made it available to us. So what we need to do now is go into programs. So open up your start menu here and go into programs and features, and let's see, this isn't what I want. Let's go to turn Windows features on or off right here. Click on that. And we're looking at the bottom of here, there should be Windows Subsystem for Linux Beta. Click on that, hit OK. This may take a second here. Alright, and we get to restart our computers again. I'll see you in a few seconds. Alright, back restarted again. So now I'm going to open up my start menu and go into bash. I'm going to run this command. And notice right here, this will install Ubuntu on Windows, distributed by Canonical. And we're going to type yes to continue, or excuse me, Y. And I'm going to pause and let it go through all these automated prompts. Alright, there we go. So yours might look a little different. It may be asking you to enter a new Unix username. I had already had the subsystem on my computer at one point, so it just pulled up my old account. It is asking me to make a new password though, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I'm going to retype it here. And there we go. Everything is good. So now what I can do is I'll close out of here, and just to show you that now it should have popped up somewhere. If I go down here, there we go. So now it's available on the start menu as well. If you want to go through there, I just start typing BASH for bash, pull it up, and here is our bash environment. Notice we can use all our typical bash commands: ls, pwd, manual, you know, all sorts of things. Should be Q. Yep, Q to quit out of that manual page. But we do have our bash environment here, and I'm going to create a directory I'm going to work out of called workspace. So that's where all the code that I'm going to do in here is going to live. And we'll go further into that here soon. But the command is mkdir, and then whatever name of the directory you want. So I'm doing workspace. So now I do ls, and there we go. Workspace is now listed. ls, if you're not familiar, lists the content, directory contents. Alright, press H for help right here, or Q to quit. So Q will quit out of this menu. And man is I wonder if you can man. Ah, look at that, yeah. So man is an interface on the online reference manuals. Anytime you have a question about a subsystem command, a Linux command, you just type in man and then whatever the command is. Alright. Alright, so that's good for this video. We got the subsystem for Windows 10 up, and now we all have a bash console we can work out of.